Attach anti-slip rubber pads to both the clamp base and clamp cover. Required hardware: screws, nuts, flat washers, spring washers, align base holes with trailer triangle hook side holes. Insert screw from triangle hook side. Flip over, add flat washer then spring washer. Secure with nut and tighten using wrench. Install second clamp base on opposite side. Mount semi-finished assembly onto rear handle. Fix with clamp cover. Note: keep first screw loose for adjustment. Insert step bolt through triangle hook center hole. Install third clamp base. Place flat washer and tighten lock nut. Position tow handle into clamp bases. Secure final assembly with clamp covers. Now you can haul cargo.